Okay, this is my video for Project 1 for the sub-project called Nights. Let's see, and this is the information about nights. We're using propositional logic to solve these little problems about which knight, who's a knight and who's a knave, and it's a little logic problem, right? So all I need to do in this video is run my code, which is right in here. My code is named puzzle.py, so I'm going to run it, and there we go. So that is my answer, or those are my answers to each of these puzzles, right? So my puzzle 0, my puzzle 1, my puzzle 2, and my puzzle 3. And yeah, this took me about half a day to solve.